All right, it's March 2nd, 2013, and we just finished the snow fort. This is Jonah and Elijah Mainley's creation. They rolled up these huge snowballs, put them in a circle, and then they put that table inside of the snow fort. Put big snowballs, rolled up more snowballs, put those on top, and then packed snow on top and stomped it down. And then they had sticks that they were using to camouflage the fort, but then they used the sticks to put across the roof and then packed more snow on top of the sticks. And then we pulled out the table and then finished the back side just moments ago, where the snow, we wanted everything to freeze before we put it back, and then you can only do this when it gets above freezing, and then they had to go back to school. So we just finished Snow Fort 1, which was the last video we did use. We abandoned that as a fort, but today we did it like the Eskimos, and where Uncle Al pushed up the snow and Jonah shoveled the snow, we used that to cut blocks out of to do this front side where we left room to get the table out. Now, are you guys going to go inside and give us the tour inside the snow fort? All right, let's go in. You cannot ride your scooter in the snow fort. Not, you don't want to get it on the camera because then it would stop working. All right, now give me the tour of the snow fort. Now, is this the door? Yeah. All right. Well, you're gonna have to go inside.
We don't have any rooms in there. It's just a big bowl.
Oh yeah. Well, what else do you want to do? Do you want to put like some carpet on the floor, and then we could sleep in there tonight? Do you guys want to have a camp out in there tonight? All right. It is what's a cave.
And we have sticks in the walls. We covered them in snow so the walls would stay up.
Yeah. What else did you do?
We put sticks on the top.
Do not eat the sticks. It's not a lollipop. Ew.
No. There's ice on the top, and then the ice is frozen to the sticks, and the sticks go across the fort, and then it'll hang.
Yeah?
It's like hanging ice.
You guys did a really good job building it. Do you guys want to get in the hot tub?
Yeah.
Why don't we get in the hot tub after we go help Papa and Esther tonight? And you know what we need to do now? We got to go shovel out the back of Daddy's blue truck. All right, say goodbye to the camera.
Bye. Bye.
Judah, say goodbye. Say goodbye to the camera. Say bye-bye. He says I'd play no game for no man. Oh, now he says bye-bye.